Okay, so I am back with another debate of scholarship, and this one will be very quick. We are talking about a nice one. So, if you don't know, guys, this is a Clizac Scholarship channel where we publish opportunities for friends who come to this channel with the intention to learn about how you can find a new scholarship reliable, not fake, something that you can trust on, and then take it ahead. So, today we are talking about a new scholarship called the Schwarzman Scholars Program, probably in China. We will get to know together. So this scholarship is a fully funded, which you guys can apply for. Applications are open, and if you just look down here, what it says that the online application must be completed in English using Roman script. So you have to apply online, and yet the deadline here, it goes up to September 10, 2025 in Eastern Daylight Time. So this is a really great way for you guys to apply for this Schwarzman Scholars. This is for everyone, US, African students, European, they can apply for this scholarship. So here, down here, if you get to know all the requirement, which we will see, you can just create your account using this space here, that we will see it later just for a sake of checking. As for now, let's just see the instructions. It says here that you will have to put your personal details that are clarified here, write all of them the way they appear in your passport. Also, you will have to be a about me scholarship where you need to write a little bit of your biographical profile in just 100 words, summarizing your leadership accomplishment and the future aspirations. This is what they're looking for. But you guys, on the right side, you can see here we still have 145 days for the close of application. For the US people, they will have to use this, and applicants with Chinese passport will use this one. Oh, it says US and global applicants will have this one, but the Chinese passport will have to use this space. You will need your resume, as it says here, or curriculum vitae, where you detail everything about you. Video instruction, you will have to record yourself speaking about something, your interest, and the video will be provide a link of a 1 minute video introduction. Refer the instruction to the application guideline. A video is highly recommended but not required. If you are unable to submit a video, you must provide a brief explanation accepting of shared into Google Drive. Okay. You need to provide your education, lastly, like a list of your education, your grades, your transcripts will be needed here. Language skills, what it says about language, it says that they require 100 points for um, TOEFL, IELTS 7, Cambridge CI Advanced 185, Cambridge C2 Proficient 185. If you are going for Duolingo English test, you will need 130. So you have all of these options that you can use. So your roles as a leader, you will have to fill the space where it talks about that. Your awards and recognition, professional experience, essays will be written. They will ask you to write your essays. And it says each applicant is required to provide 2 essays and 2 short answer response. The 2 required essay leadership essay will be about 750 words, and the statement of purpose in 500 words. These are critical components in your application because they put you on a spot about whether you're a strong candidate or not. So that could be really relevant if you are willing to do that. And here is a great step to start. Recommendation letters. It says here you will need 3 recommenders to provide your recommendation. More details are right here. You guys just need to fill that. Disciplinary actions, if you provide fake documents. criminal discipline, okay, additional information, signature, review, and resources. So it's really crucial. But down here, you can visit the channel to read more about them. So let's go to the admission. They say they are looking for people with these qualities: leadership abilities, exemplary character, integrity, academic attitude and intellectual ability, empathy and intercultural competence, open-mindedness, entrepreneurial spirit. It's all they're looking for in the candidates in this Schwarzman Scholar that is now open. You have to be, you must have an undergraduate degree first, which means this is for masters or above. You must have between 18 to 28 years old of age, must be proficient in English, as we have just showed before about what you need to score in your tests. These are the days that remain for you to apply. You still have some time. September 10, they'll be closing. So you just come and click here. Some of the sessions that you might want on 18th of April, which is today, they are streaming on the day of I'm doing this. April 29 and May 1st, all of these days they will be doing a walkthrough of the application, so you guys can get to know a little bit more of how the process goes about and what you are required and what to avoid in your application. Quick note, this is a website for you to begin the application. You will just have to fill this space and begin the application. So I'm not going to go deeper into this. You guys can enjoy more how to fill on this, but I think it's not going to be very hard. The most critical element you need to just prepare in a long time is the essays about the research, like the study objective and the personal statement you will write. Those will be key elements when filling your form right here. So this is all we had for today. Remember, guys, preparing on time, because if you want success, you need to prepare on time. Great successful people prepare and they know when to do things. So you have to be one of those. Be wise, prepare, get your passport, translate your document, and then do things in silence. This is how things work. Bye bye. I wish to see you in the next video, and see you.